So in other words, one of the things we need to think about in developing software is the economic impact of it. What is the economic impact of what we do? And unfortunately, we cannot develop software in isolation of economic knowledge. We need to definitely do that. But there's another holy thing we often get across, right? What about extensibility? We all want our code to be extensible. Who doesn't want it, right? Absolutely. But here's the problem with extensibility. We often think our code has to be extensible, but what we want it to be extended is not what we actually face eventually. Now, let's think about this for a minute. There are three kinds of people, right? Kinds of people on a project. The first kind knows a lot about the domain, right? So there are people on your team who know a lot about the domain. You can go ask them any question about the domain. They can answer it for you. They are part of your development team. They are available. The second type of people knows a lot about software development, right? These guys rock. They can sit there and write code all day, but don't know anything about the domain, right? Or not as much. The third kind of people, who are very few in number, knows a lot about both domain and software development. I will politely ignore the fourth category here that we don't want to talk about, right? So the point really here is the people who can make the right set of decision are the people in the third category who understand the domain and understand the software development practices. Because these people have a well-rounded knowledge to look at both. But I'm sorry, that is far and few in general. So what can we do instead? What we can do instead is we can have these two set of